Hey, what's going on, MK family? Welcome back to MK Bites. All right, you guys, so we're gonna do what we always do before we eat. You pray over your food, I pray over mine. Let's do this. Amen. 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 All right, you guys, so today we are having Longhorn Steakhouse. So we got some chopped steak with fried onions and mushrooms and brown gravy. We had a baked sweet potato, but I just went ahead and took it out and just put it on a plate. It came with bread. I just went ahead and cut it. And it came with salad. And on the salad, there is mandarins, grapes, strawberries, pecans, and that's it. And for the drink today, y'all, we are having this another one, Splash. This is a lemon lime one. Let's go ahead and get it opened up. Cheers. All right, so let's go ahead and dig in. Oh yeah, and the salad came with a raspberry vinaigrette. Let's go ahead and put some of that on there. And it's supposed to come with some feta cheese, but I went ahead and got some sharp cheddar. I don't eat feta cheese. And I got another salad dressing right here. And the butter for the bread is here. And I also kept some of the butter that they had, the butter and cinnamon for the potatoes. I kept some of that too here. I want to try it out and see how it tastes on the bread. So let's go ahead and dig in. There we go. It's good. So, Oh, my bad. I do have a knife, y'all. Good. Oh yeah, and also having some red onions right here. Let's eat them. How y'all doing today? It's good. Longhorn, that's good. Some of that. The taste you love. This is good, y'all. I try to set it out. I did the video, you guys, because some of you guys said me, y'all don't eat seafood, y'all don't eat pork. So I want to try something a little different again, like I said I was gonna do. And try something for everybody out there. Let's do that. Good. It's my first time ever eating salad with strawberries and stuff on it. It's good. I don't really eat that much salad. Good. I want to send a shout out to my little friend, she said that she can't eat a lot of food right now, and I think she said she don't eat past 6 or 7. It's Doria Rural. How you doing? It's for you. And everybody else who said they're trying to like cut back on certain foods and all that stuff, and who don't eat pork, who don't eat seafood, we're doing something different. It's for all you guys. Y'all have me eating salad. It's good, though. Really good. I'm gonna do this more often now. Let's put a grape on there. There we go. Put that cheese on there. Cheers. Get a piece of that bread. Yo, I'm putting that other butter on the bread, yo. With that cinnamon in it. And see what's gonna happen with that. Yep. And y'all, this is juicy too. Get one of these pecans. What y'all eating today? Mushroom. Put this on that bread. That's about 2 of these. Come on, come on. It's good. You gotta go try this. It's called chopped steak. And I got it well done, and it's still juicy. Good. Yeah. I think too, it's juicy too because they got that brown gravy on it. They'll make it, I think, stay juicy and good. Oh. Cheers. Get one of my onions, y'all. Who like onions out there? I love onions. It's good. Woo! And I think the top stick was like 12 ounces. We grilling over here. How this is, baby. good. You guys, I'm sorry. The salad got a name, but I forgot what the name was. And I think with the meal, the salad is like $5 and something. But when you get the meal, you just pay like an extra $2 to add it to the meal, because I got 2 sides with this. Done that bread. Yep. When I was younger, my grandma always made sweet potatoes in Louisiana, and we used to eat sweet potatoes, and she made like fried bread. We always ate it like this and made sweet potato sandwiches. If y'all from the South, y'all know what I mean. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm doing this again. Can you imagine? I don't want to do this because I'm eating that Longhorn. But can you imagine that this steak right here, this chopped steak with TGI fried Jack Daniel's sauce? I got an idea. It's a good idea. Watch. So I can just imagine the same meal, but just adding that Jack Daniel sauce to the chopped steak. It'd be good. I'm with it right here. The pecans. Do y'all say pecans or pecan? We say pecan. Good. It's good. Cheers. Let's try the bread with just the regular butter. And see what's goes on. Hold on. And see what's goes on. Try with the butter with the cinnamon. Cinnamon. Okay, better. Let's try it now with some sweet potatoes on it. I'm doing them grapes. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Ah, got it. It's good. Salad ain't that bad. I'm gonna start doing more salad soon here. Pretty good. Normally in Louisiana, we would eat like whole salads. We would eat like cucumbers with tomatoes together. So we have like cucumbers, tomatoes, and we'll sprinkle some black pepper and salt. And that was it. My dad, he used to always put mayonnaise on his cucumbers and tomatoes. Uh-oh. Yeah, I'm gonna stay on the fork. There we go. Woo, good and full. Oh, yeah. Thank y'all so much for all y'all love and support. I hear y'all, so I'm trying to get to all y'all wishes. It's Doria World. And who else? What her name was? I know my cousin Lanika Shantae. She told me to do something with salad. Oh yeah. She told me. Who else? Butterfly. She told me to call her Butterfly. You know who you are. So Butterfly, she a pescatarian. So I know she didn't like the part with the steak on it, but I got a salad. And I do drink water. I drink water, y'all. I'm finna do a review on waters, on some waters that one of you had told me to try out a water. So I'm gonna try it out for y'all. And I was on the stove and I saw it and I like, Oh, that's the water she told me to do. But I can't find a mango one. So it's called she said that she liked the water, if you know the water, let me know, please. It's called La Casa or La Casa. I got some in the refrigerator right now, and I'm gonna do a review on it. But I'm trying to make sure that I found the ones that Sue want me to try out. So I'm still looking for the mango or the peach, one of those. It was good, Joe. Y'all can tell, huh? Grapes. All right, y'all. We gonna do what we always do around this time. If you don't mind, take a little time to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Cheers. Stay tuned. I've been trying to put these videos out, y'all. Oh, and every time I do a video, it's at nighttime. So right now, it's like 11:30 at night where I live. So people said, some people say that I look tired. I was tired sometimes, but I'm still gonna push through this. So y'all keep rooting me on. Yeah. So I still keep on going, and I'm trying to push myself past my comfort zone. So, like my sis KC Connection said, we got to push ourselves past our comfort zone. So I'm pushing myself. So get off from work, come home, do what I got to do. And thank y'all for all your support and keeping me wanting to keep on doing this. Y'all just don't know. I appreciate y'all. Cheers. Bye.